Hi, it's Tom here at Startin Skoda. Today I'm going to be walking you around this stunning 1.5 SEL DSG Octavia Hatchback, finished in black magic. As you can see in the sunlight, this paint really sparkles. Moving around to the back of the car, I'm going to show you the enormous amount of boot space you get with the Octavias, class leading space. Plenty of room in there if the kids are getting on your nerves, you know where you can put them. But if they are behaving, I'll show you the rear seats where they'll be more than likely sitting. As you can see, finished with the half leather, half Alcantara material. Nice and durable for your families. Moving around to the front of the car. Again, follow through to the front. As well as having the 7-speed DSG gearbox, you also get the drive mode selector with this for the families that like to take it easier with the kids in the car. And then when the kids aren't in the car, you can put it into a nice sport mode. Moving up, the car features DAB radio, as well as built-in satellite navigation, with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto system as well. Full Bluetooth connectivity for music and phone. Moving down, we've got the dual zone climate controlled air conditioning. So if you're both in the car and one likes it hot, one likes it cold, keeps everyone happy. Car's travelled just under 5,000 miles, so brilliant mileage for its age of the vehicle. As well as having the automatic lights to keep life nice and simple. If you'd like to know more about this car or any other cars that we might have in stock for you, please don't hesitate to contact myself. My name's Tom again at Startin Skoda on 01905 830 361. Catch you guys in a bit.